to do what he says.
Do it! Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
You want to see me up there?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey. The pole sweeps away all injustice.
Let go.
Ah, you're so ugly, it's no wonder you're a virgin.
Double sword!
The Shaolin stance.
Let's see if you can match the skills of Shaolin. Do you recognize the Wonder Palm?
I've fought it before.
Then let's see how you do against it now. That's right. I'm the highest monk.
So you're the monk that rebelled against the religion of Shaolin and destroyed the temple by burning it.
Wonder Palm!
I'll handle it. Go!